Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy over here. Following that, you need to select Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Then click on one of your apps located under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will select Firefox from Not Allowed section. And over here, I can apply one of those options by tapping on the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Firefox just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and just look for an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!